Welcome to video. I am Dr. P. Manivannan, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Government College of Engineering, Srirangam, Trichy 12. In this video, we see the classification of queuing networks and a series queue with blocking for the CSC department, second year, fourth semester, for the paper MA 8402, Probability and Queuing Theory, unit number 5, Advanced Queuing Models. In this video, we classify the queuing networks, serious queues with blocking, and a problem. First one, the series queue or tandem queue model. In general, a series queue model or tandem queue model is one which the customer may arrive from outside the system at any node. The customer may arrive from outside the system at any node and may leave the system from any node. Any node, he may income or outgoing. The second point, customer may enter the system at some node, traverse from node to node in the system and leave the system from some node, not necessarily following the same order of nodes. The customer may return to the nodes previously visited, skip some nodes, and even choose to remain the system forever. That means if there are three nodes, 1, 2, 3 nodes, if he enter to the one node, what are the possibilities? He leave the system, or he move to 2, or again move to 3. These are the possibilities from the node 1. He entered to the node 2. What are the possibilities? He move to 3, or he leave, or he again move to the queue to 1. These are the possibilities. This model is called series queue model or tandem queue model. He may skip some nodes is also possible. That means what is the skipping here? 1. Then he go to the node 3, server 3. He not visited to the node 2. Okay. The classification of queuing networks. There are 3 types. The first one, open networks. The first type, open network model. In an open queuing network, the customer enters the system from outside. He enters from outside, and after servicing at one or more queues, it is the first queue. He service at 1, then we may go to 2, or he like to leave the system, then we may leave. He can leave. If he like to going to the service 2, it is the possible going to 2. Again, he rejoining this the queue for 3. Again, he may go to 2 or 4, or he may leave the system. It is also possible. It is the open network. He may enter or leave. He may enter to next queue, or he like to leave. It is the possible. It is the open choice. So it is called open network. The second one, closed network. A closed queuing network does not have any external arrival. Does not have any external arrival or departures. It represents a situation where a fixed number of jobs circulated in the system, moving from one queue to the next, getting served at individual queues. No jobs enter the system, nor does any jobs leave the system. No enter, no close. It is the only rotations, including this. It is a closed network. In the first, then we may go to second, then third, then we may like to this one only fully rotations in this closed network. In a closed queuing network, customer are not allowed to enter from outside or leave the system. It is an important point. It is the closed network definition. The mixed network, the both closed and open network is join is called mixed network. It is the incoming served at these two queues. We may leave or enter to the closed class type. These are open class type. This is closed class type. This is mixed network diagram. The next one, series queues with blocking. Consider a simple sequential two station, single server at each station. That means station 1, it is station 2. We enter this station 1, then we may go to the station 2, then he leave the system. Consider a simple sequential two station single server at each station model, whereas no queues is allowed to form at either station. There is no queue. If a customer in a station 2 and service is completed at station 1, the station 1 customer must wait there till the station 2 customer completely completed. That is, the system is blocked. That means the arrival at station 1 when the system is blocked or turned away. Also, if a customer in process at station 1, even if station 2 is empty, arriving customer are turned away. Since the system is sequential one, that is the all customers record service at station 1 and then service at station 2. Directly not moved to station 2. After finishing the service at station 1, then he go to station 2. The rate that the process leaves equal to the rate that it's enter. Entering rate equal to leaving rate. The possible state of the system are given below with their interpretations and balance equations. 0, 0. 0 means I means the customer in the first service station. J means the customer in the second station. What is the meaning of 0, 0? The system is empty. In the first system, there is no customer. 0 means there is no customer in station 2. Therefore, the system is empty. Here, what are the values? Lambda is the arrival rate. Mu1 is serviced at first station. Rate of the service in first station. Mu t is rate of service in the second station. Okay. Then 0, 0. A customer enter in this system. So lambda arrival rate. So first value become 1. There is a customer in the first station. After first station, he served. After getting the service, that means mu1, then the first customer go to the second station. So this one is moving to this station. That means 0, 1. First one 0 0, a customer entered, then it becomes 1 comma 0. After service, that means mu1, the first customer moving to second system, so 0 comma 1. At this case, a new customer entered to first station. A new customer entered to the first station. At that time, the values are 1 comma 1. There is one customer in first station and also one customer in the second station. It is the 1 comma 1. If the first customer, that means in the first station a customer getting service, then we go to the second, but the in the second station the customer not being served, so he wait in the first station, so it is B means blocking. He must wait in the station number 1, so it is known as B comma 1. The customer has finishing getting service at station 1 but waiting since there is a customer in station 2, that is the system is blocked. B for blocked. 1 comma 0 means the customer in station 1 only. 0 comma 1 means customer in station 2 only. That means there is no customer in station 1. Here there is no customer in station 2. 1 comma 1 is customer in both station. There is no queue. Only one customer at the maximum of each station. What is the balance equations? For the 0 comma 0, what is the incoming, what are outgoing? Outgoing is lambda, so lambda means 0 comma 0, p of 0 comma 0 into lambda, that value into that probability, p of 0 comma 0 equal to what is the incoming from where, 0 comma 1, so p of 0 comma 1 into mu2. It is the balance equation for 0 comma 0. The next one 1 comma 0. What is 1 comma 0? Here 1 comma 0. What are the outgoing? So p of 1 comma 0 into the only outgoing is mu1, so mu1 into p of 1 comma 0. What are the incoming? Lambda into incoming is this one and this one. Lambda into p of 0 0 plus mu2 into p of 1 comma 1. This equation we get. Then 0 comma 1. What are the outgoing? The only outgoing is lambda to 1 comma 1 and this value. These are two outgoings. So p of 0 comma 1 lambda plus mu2. Lambda plus mu2 is equal to what are the incoming? Mu1 of p of 1 comma 0 and another one incoming is p b comma 1 into mu2. Mu2 into p of b comma 1. For the 1 1 1 comma 1, the node 1 comma 1, this is called node 1 comma 1, customer in both stations. What are the outgoing? There is two outgoings, so the first one mu1 into p of b comma 1 and mu2 into p of p 1 comma 1. Outgoing is from 1 comma 1, so p11 p11 mu1 plus mu2, so mu1 plus mu2 into p11. What are the incoming? The only incoming is lambda into p0 comma 1, p0 comma 1, this value only, so lambda into p0 comma 1. For the node b comma 1, the only one incoming, one outgoing. So mu1 into what is the incoming mu1 into p1 comma 1, mu1 into p11. What is the outgoing? Outgoing p of b comma 1 into mu2, p of b comma 1 into mu2. It is the balance equations. Also, the total probability must be equal to 1. So P00, P01, P10, P11, PB1 is equal to 1. Solving the above equations, we get P00 equal to mu1 mu2 square into mu1 plus mu2 divided by mu2 into mu1 plus mu2 into mu1 mu2 plus lambda mu1 plus lambda mu2 plus lambda squared into mu1 squared plus mu2 squared plus mu1 mu2. And also P0 comma 1 equal to lambda by mu2 into P00, P11 equal to lambda squared divided by mu2 into mu1 plus mu2 into P0, P1 comma 0 equal to lambda squared divided by mu2 into mu1 plus mu2 plus lambda by mu1 into P00, Pb1 equal to mu1 lambda square divided by mu2 square into mu1 plus mu2 into P00. This is the value for P00, P01, P11, P10, Pb1. Adding these values equal to 1. The average number of customers in the system is LS. LS means P01, P10, 2 times of P11 plus Pb1. Since here it is the number of customer is 1. Here the number of customer is 2. Here one customer is waiting. Here in the second system the customer is 1. So it is 1 into this value plus 2 into this value. This is the average number of customers in the system. The average waiting time of a customer in the system is WS equal to LS divided by lambda into P00 plus P01. This is the average waiting time for a customer. The proposition of customers who enters in the shop is P00 plus P01. It is the probability for a customer who enter in the shop. Here the first customer is 0. This is the only possible to enter a customer in the system. The fourth one, the effective arrival rate equal to probability of an arriving customer enters in the system into lambda. So it is the effective arrival rate P00 plus P01 into lambda. It is the problem. There are 2 salesmen in a supermarket. Out of 2 salesmen, one is in charge for billing and receiving payment, while the other salesman is in charge for weighing and delivering the items. Due to lack of space, only one customer is allowed to enter the shop only if the billing clerk is free. The first one is billing clerk. The first node is billing. The second node is paying and delivery. Paying and delivery. If he enter to the shop, then first he had to billing, then weighing and delivery. It is the example for two-stage blocking system. The customer who has finished his billing job has to wait until the delivery section becomes free. If the customer arrives according to Poisson process at a rate 1 per hour, the service times is of 2 clerks are independent and have an exponential rate of the first service is 3, the second one is 2. Okay. Find the propositions of customers who enter the supermarket. What is the probability? What is the proposition? The average number of customers in the system, the average amount of time a customer spends in the shop. These three are we want to find out. First one. This is the two-stage sequential queue model with blocking. Given lambda equal to 1. Since the customer arrival rate is 1 per hour. So lambda equal to 1. Mu 1. The first clerk is 3 per hour. The second one is 2 per hour. Mu 1 equal to 3 per hour, per hour, per hour. Mu 2 equal to 2 per hour. Here, from the above diagram, 0, 0, lambda equal to 1. So, the first server is PC. First, he went to the queue, 1, 0. After serving, we move to the stage 0, 1. After in this stage, a new customer may be enter into the first customer, first billing. So 1, 1. If 1, 1, these are the possibilities. The balance equations of these models are from the above result. We get these equations. After substituting the values of lambda, mu 1, mu 2, the above equations becomes 1 into B00 equal to 2 into B01, which implies B01 equal to this one, take in this side, it becomes 1 by 2 of P00. Equation number 2 implies probability of 1, 0. Probability of 1, 0 equal to outgoing. So 3 times of P1, 0 equal to incoming. 1 into P00 plus 2 into P11 from this node. Then P0, 1, this node. What are the incoming? What are the incoming? There are 2 incomings. There are 2 incomings. And 2 outgoings. What are the 2 outgoings? Here 1 into P01. Here 2 into P01. So totally 3 times of P into 01 equal to what are the incoming? 3 into P10, 2 into PB1. This result. And fourth equation implies, this fourth equation implies for 1, 1. What are the outgoings? These 2 are outgoings. Here 2, here 3. So 2 plus 3, 5 times of P11 equal to 5 times of P11 equal to only 1 incoming. So 1 into P01. 1 into P01, which implies 5P1 equal to P01 is 1 by 2 of 0, 0. So 1 by 2 of P0, 0, which implies P11 equal to 5 becomes this side. So 1 by 10 into P00. From fifth equation for this stage, 2 times of what is the outgoing? 2. So 2 into probability of B1 equal to what are the incoming? Only 3 into P11. So B1 equal to P11 equal to 1 by 10 into P00. We get 3 by 10 into P00, which implies probability of B1 equal to taken this right side, we get 3 by 20 into P00. In the equation number, in this stage, we find P001, here B11, here B1, the last one B10 equal to B10 equal to 3 times of B10 equal to B00 plus 2 times 2 by 10 into P. The equation number 6 becomes 3 times of B10 equal to P00 plus 2 times of P11. P11 is 2 times of P11. So 2 by 10 into P00. It becomes 1. 1 plus 1 by 5 equal to 6 by 5. So it is 6 by 5. 6 by 5. Which implies it is 3 times. So taken to right side we get 6 divided by 3 into 5. It becomes 2 by 5. So P1 comma 0 equal to 2 by 5 into P00. We know that the total probability is 1. This probability is 1. Substituting the values of P10, 01, 11, B1 in terms of P00. After simplifying, we get P00 equal to 20 divided by 43. Hence, P01 equal to 1 by 2 of P00, which implies 1 by 2 into 20 divided by 43. Simplify to 10 by 43. B10 equal to 2 by 5 into P00, 2 by 5 into 20 by 43, 8 by 43. B11 equal to 1 by 10 into P00, it becomes 2 by 43. B1 equal to 3 divided by 20 into B00 equal to 3 by 20 into 25 by 43, it becomes 3 by 43. The proposition of customers who enter the supermarket equal to, what is the proposition? P00 plus P01. It is the possible to enter a customer in the supermarket. It is the possibility. It is the proposition. P00 equal to 25 by 43, P01 equal to 10 by 43. So common denominator 43, 30 plus 10, 30. 20 plus 10, 30. So 30 divided by 43. It is the proposition of the customers who enter the supermarket. The average number of customers in the supermarket equal to LS equal to, it is the possibility for one customer, 1001. It is the possibility for two customers in the system, 11 and B1. B1 means a customer blocked at the first service station. Here, two customers waiting. So it is this probability multiplied by 2. Here, the customer is 1. So multiply by 1. 1 into this value, 1 into 8 by 43 plus 10 by 43 plus 2 into 2 by 43 plus 3 by 43. After simplify, we get 18 by 43. Here 5 into 2, 10 by 43. It becomes 28 by 43. The average amount of time that an entering customer spend in the supermarket equal to, that means waiting in the system, LS divided by average rate of entering the shop. What is the average rate of entering shop? It is the average rate of entering shop. Lambda into P00 plus P into 01. Lambda is 1 given. P00, P01 is 30 divided by 43. After simplifying, we get 28 by 30. It is simplified to 14.